Good morning, everyone. It is finally fall here in Minnesota. It's about 45 degrees finally. It's been pretty warm up until now. Today we got some trucking to do. Got to haul probably 2 loads off of one project. And then have a number of maintenance things I want to do on equipment, maintenance, fixing things, do on the equipment behind me now that the crew, they're leaving the trucks and trailers here for the next couple of days because they got to report in for drills. So we'll see if we get to it today. May not, may get to it. I don't know. We'll see what we get into, but we're going to start with trucking. Well, pretty successful day of knocking out, or not even day, a couple hours of knocking out some odds and ends projects. Tightened the track on the Sani, finally, just newer machine, newer tracks. They're just stretching out still a little bit. Got the mixed gas fuel station set up so that holds 15 gallons so we can fill up our 2-gallon cans and hopefully be set for probably 2 weeks at a time. And then we can just take that to the station and fill it up instead of just doing 2-gallon cans. Over here's the graveyard of tracks. I was going to put, so we broke tracks a couple of weeks ago. Luckily got them warranted by Vermeer. I was going to put this one on, had a couple of idler, bogey wheels, whatever you want to call them, that were a little bit loose. I was going to replace them. I have replacements, but then tighten them up just a little bit. And that seemed to work for now, so I'll start with that. And then when I went and picked up the tracks, they had a brand new CTX 100 on the lot, so I measured the sprockets because I was like, these don't look too bad, like they're not pointy sharp, but not ideal. Well, this gap here is definitely worn with the machine having over 1,000 hours now, so called Vermeer, and for how much it is to get sprockets, it was $175 a sprocket, and tracks are nearly $1,400 a set. I was like, better just replace sprockets. So didn't get the track back on, or the new track on, because I'm going to wait till I get those sprockets in the next day or two. Put that on, and then on the trailer here, welded on some D-rings here at the back so we can independently chain each machine, which we already do, but now we can unload one machine while leaving the other chain down. So if we got a job, we just need the stump grinder, we just need the skid. Now we don't have to unchain the other chain because they're not crossed. So that should work pretty good. And welded old piece of cutting edge on the bucket for the Mini X. It's not perfect, and now that I'm done with it, I can see that it's not level, but it should be fine. Hopefully if I dig a fair amount with it, it'll wear in, but screwed up a little bit on that, but we're not an excavation company, so I'm not too worried about it. And then on the skid, also got, the crew had broke off this positive power remote jumper post because the battery's buried under this steel cover, so got that replaced. And I think that's it for projects. I'm hopefully gonna get going on painting the side of the truck with the decal here soon, and then I gotta pick up some steel to fix the man basket. Has a couple, the expanded metal in the bottom of it has a couple of cracks, so gotta pick up some metal tonight to fix that. But yeah, just chipping away on these small projects really helps make the days go better. All right, so here's the old sprocket. In my opinion, it doesn't look that bad, but here's the new one. You can definitely see it's worn, and considering we were breaking tracks, these sprockets are 175 a piece, and tracks are nearly 600 a piece right now, 700 a piece, so they're worn a little bit. Might as well just throw new sprockets on, and hopefully be good set on tracks for a long time now that we're putting new tracks on right now.